Chairman of the Selection Committee for the RGR Gleaner Group Sports Foundation, Mike Fennell, has revealed 3 more nominees for the Sportsman and the Sportswoman of the Year awards for 2018. As Simon Preston reports, there have been 2 additions in the women's section and 1 in the men's category.
Netballer Shamira Sterling has been added to the growing list of nominees for the Sportswoman of the Year award. It's netball's first nominee from the sport since 2003, when Elaine Davis was among the nominees. 2 track and field athletes, Hansel Parchment and Sharika Jackson, have also found belated favour with the Mike Fennell chaired selection committee of the RGR Gleaner Group Foundation.
For the men, the additional name is Hansel Parchment, hurdler, who in fact won a silver medal at the Commonwealth Games earlier this year at the Gold Coast, Australia. For the women, there is Sharika Jackson, hurdler, also winning a silver medal at the Commonwealth Games, and Shamira Sterling, the netballer, who was voted by the international body as the most valuable player, or the player of the series for the Fast 5 tournament in Australia.
President of Netball Jamaica, Paula Daly-Morris, says Sterling's nomination was well deserved.
She really worked hard and she deserves it. So I'm happy that some recognition is actually coming to her and to netball on a whole. I'm very happy for that. We are happy for the recognition of the player and the sport as a whole, because the sport has been doing well, and it's really encouraging when you do well and you're recognized for it. So it's gonna push these girls. They're going into a world champ, so it means a lot to them. It will help them to do even better in the world champ.
Defensive player Sterling was named the MVP of the Fast 5 World Series, where she helped Jamaica to take silver, in addition to helping Jamaica to the bronze medal at the Commonwealth Games. Sprint hurdler Parchment and quarter miler Jackson both secured individual silver medals at the Commonwealth Games. And Fennell explains why 18-year-old rugby union player Michael Facey was not nominated.
First of all, there's no question that rugby has done exceptionally well this year, both rugby union and rugby league. Mr. Facey as a youngster, exceptional. But in terms of hard data, in terms of what you perform, that is not sufficient to separate him from the rest. But certainly as a part of the team, a very, very great performance by the rugby team this year.
The Sportsman and Woman of the Year Awards Gala is set for January 18 at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Simon Preston.